Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a super handy trick how to transcribe your audio and video file with just one click without limitation. In free you can transcribe freely and without limitation. There is no limitation and no payment, so you can freely and you can transcribe your audio, your video file with just one click. So first of all, you need to open your browser, and after opening browser you can come to the search bar and write in search bar or Riverside Transcription. So click on that. Sorry, my data was off. Click on that and now you can see. So you need to click on the first website. As you can see, audio and video transcription powered by AI. Transcribe audio and video in 10 plus languages with just few clicks. So click on that. After clicking on that, so now you will see the interface like this: audio and video transcription powered by AI. Transcribe audio and video to text with 99% accuracy, available in 100 languages and free of charge. So you can transcribe your audio and video file without any without any fees and without any cost. So you can freely do all these things. So I'm going to guide you step by step on how to transcribe your audio and video file. So as before that, I have used many tools. So some of them were bad and some of them were some limitation. So I have found this AI tools after much trying. So now I'm going to show you that how you can do easily, because this is the best one, and as I have used and I have experience of this website, this is the best one because it provides 99% accuracy of the text, and you can easily translate. Because if you have any audio file, any video file in Urdu language, and you want to be transcribed and translated to English language, so it will also do for you that work. And also, if you have any video in Urdu language and put in English language, so you can do that too, and you can translate that to Urdu language. So first of all, you need to click on that transcribe now. And the best one, that this is no the account is not required for this website. So you can do all these things without entering any account. So after click on that, drag and drop your file. So I'm going to drag my file. As you can see here, a file, I'm going to show you that how you can. Because I have a file in a folder, I'm going to click on that audio file. So if you have any videos, first of all you need to convert that video in mp3. So now you can see my audio file is in Urdu language. I am going to show you that how you can translate and transcribe to English language. Also, you can do all these things in Urdu language and other language you want to. Like you can see here are a list of languages. So then click on start transcribing, and you need to wait for a little time until the process is completed. So now then you will see your file, your audio, your video will be transcribed. So all you can do with just a few clicks and your file and your audio file, your video file will be ready to be transcribed, and then you can copy the text and you can also download that. So now you will see the magic, and you will see something amazing. Like you can see, I see that this is the best result of this website, and this is the best one, because you can see that this is was a short audio file, and you can transcribe long audio file also, and there is no limitation, no charge. So you can do all these things, as I have show you. So now you can download the text, and you can also copy the text. So I'm going to copy, and it will be copied to clipboard. Also, if you need to transcribe another file, so you can see below an option, transcribe another file. So you can click on that, and you can transcribe another file from that place. So now I come back. After coming back, so you can open any notepad that you have, or you if you using your computer, so you no need to have any notepad, because you would have Word and also other software, so you can paste that. So now you can see I have pasted there, and now you can change or save this. So thanks for watching. This is the video that I have show you that how you can transcribe your file, your audio file, your video file with just few clicks.